Hello YouTube, this is Little Mr. Hardcore, aka Robert, my son, and we got this Beware GX box. We're gonna bust into that and see what all we get. They glued it really well. Got it. So you get the box.
It's always hard in there.
First off, you get the Beware GX card. 2017 promo card. But it is a GX. With all that shine.
Shine, let it shine.
You get 4 packs. And you get a code, which we don't use the code.
Yeah. Anybody wants a code?
Yeah. Hold on, don't move. If anybody plays the game online, there's the code. Hold on, you got glare. There's the code if anybody wants it. Plus you got, I'll pull this out here in a minute, but it's the Jumbo Beware GX card. And you got 4 packs, so, well, is it, I don't know how to do the trick.
Isn't it 3 from the back? It's 3 from the back.
Is that what it is?
Yeah, another code.
Code, oh, there's going to be a bunch of codes. Hold on. Code.
It's 3 from
Another
the back.
code. 3 from the back. 1, 2, 3. I'm just opening them so you can get them ready. There's another code. 1,
Another
2,
code?
3.
Good.
Okay, so I'll check this pack. Okay, ready? Choice Band. Hope you guys can see these. Choice Band, Tentacruel, Energy Recycler, Alolan Sandshrew, Murkrow, Halipatile, Machop, Slowpoke, Reverse, Snorunt. Your rare, we were one off. Your rare is a Oricaro, something like that. Anyway, that's our rare and an energy. So there's that. This the next one?
Yes.
Is that something good?
No.
Okay. Anyways, okay, we got Greedy Dice, Monferno, Sheldon, Clink, Mankey, Fungus, Nidoran, Oshawott, a reverse of Joltik, and our rare is Yanmega. So nothing so far. This one?
Yes.
Okay, we got this must be the Legend set. Poliwhirl, Brock's Grit, Professor Oak's Hint, Vulpix, Darkness Energy, Magikarp, Weedle, Electabuzz, Reverse Switch Trainer, Arcanine, rare. This last pack. Max Potion, Energy Recycler, Gothorita, I meant, Slowpoke, Goomy, Rockroof, Talio, Nosepass, Aqua Patch, Reverse, Fire Energy, and Vikavolt GX. So we did get another GX, full art even. That is pretty cool. Vikavolt GX full art. So that's pretty sweet. That's his hit. Well, I guess this too, but it's a promo, so it's not as important. The Beware, but he did get the Vikavolt GX full art, which is awesome. So there's that. Hope you guys enjoyed that. Next up, the mystery wrestling box. So thanks for watching, and bye! Vikavolt GX.